Latest crypto and NFT news. Unveiling the captivating world of celebrity NFTs, exploring prominent figures embracing the digital revolution. The non-fungible token (NFT) market has witnessed a remarkable surge in popularity, captivating not only crypto enthusiasts but also prominent personalities across various industries. From renowned musicians to legendary athletes and Hollywood stars, celebrities have found a new avenue to engage with their fans and monetize their digital creations through NFTs. NFTs and musical legends. Recognizable figures who have ventured into the world of NFTs encompass Jay-Z, Snoop Dogg, and Grimes. These influential artists have introduced unique NFT creations that grant fans the opportunity to possess cherished memorabilia, ranging from exclusive artwork and immersive concert encounters to limited edition albums, forging an intimate connection with their favorite performers. The intersection of sports icons and NFT collectibles. Renowned athletic figures such as LeBron James, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Tom Brady have enthusiastically embraced the NFT phenomenon. Collaborating with prominent NFT platforms, they have introduced an array of captivating collectibles, including immersive virtual encounters, iconic sports highlights, and exclusive digital trading cards, granting fans an unparalleled chance to possess and exchange treasured digital mementos from their beloved sports heroes. Read the full news or articles at www.nftstudio24.com.